Today we are going to show you guys how to do an install of this darling wallpaper. This is wallpaper from Love vs. Design. There are so many things to love about Love vs. Design wallpapers, but some of my favorite are that it's a nice smooth finish, easy to clean, and it is also a peel and stick wallpaper. The coolest thing about this wallpaper is that you can change the colors. So we decided to go with something very neutral. She's got kind of a boho vibe in her room, but I think bringing in a little pattern and a pop in color to her vanity area is going to be super fun. There are just a few simple tools that you guys will need for install. First and foremost, a nice damp rag. You're going to use this to clean the walls and the surfaces before installing so that the wallpaper properly sticks. Next thing you're going to need is a screwdriver. You've got to get the lights and the mirrors and everything off the wall so you can wallpaper behind that. Next thing we'll need is scissors and a good clean razor blade for cutting into the corners of the surface. Next thing is, of course, a measuring tape and a level. And in order to get the wallpaper nice and smooth, we're going to use this nifty little squeegee from Love vs. Design. This will help you smooth the edges and the surfaces nice and easy. Finally, because me and Brinley cannot do this on our own, the last thing we're gonna need is a man to help. Okay, so we are just getting the last loose ends removed from here, getting the lights off, making sure the wall is nice and clean, and prepped and ready for install.
My starting line, I did 16 inches at the top from the corner, so I'm gonna put a nick in the corner of the paper. So when we stick it to the wall, we can get the paper to start doing the bend into the corner of the wall. So now we're getting our first piece lined up, taped to my level line. So when we have it all set, we can just peel the back layer off and let it stick to the wall.
So now we've got this panel lined up, making sure that the pattern matches. It actually overlaps by about 1 inch. So next thing we're gonna do is peel off the back of this, start with the sticky on top, and just work it all the way down. Yeah, so I'm just gonna take a little breather here. I'll let little Bryn do the rest and finish that up. But it is looking absolutely adorable. I cannot wait to get this done. Okay, so just like that, you guys, it is done. I am so in love. It looked absolutely beautiful. We decided to continue the pattern all the way around so that we would have the full nook covered in this darling wallpaper. So anyways, we have got our lights back on, we're gonna get the mirror on, the decorations in, and voila, we'll be all done. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Thank you so much, Love vs. Design. We absolutely love how it turned out.